I was sent these two setting powders and so excited to show you the difference. So this one's banana, which actually helps get rid of any redness in your skin or any dark under circles. And this is the translucent, which is just really good for setting everything in place. One thing I love, both of them come with this incredibly soft velour powder puff. And I'm talking like it is so soft. So you can see the banana color right there and you can just dab it on. I'm going to try to do something kind of interesting where I show half my face with the banana and half my face with the translucent. Hopefully it's not too dramatic that I look kind of crazy, but it's really, you want to use the setting powder just to kind of set your makeup into place. So simple. So there's that side right there. And then really light dusting. I did not go heavy with that at all. And then this is going to be your translucent side. So that's what that looks like, kind of more of like a creaminess to it. We're going to dab that on. Now this helps give you that like porcelain doll look and really keeps your makeup lasting longer. If you have oily skin, it really helps so that you don't get too shiny, and you can use it for touching up as well. So now my face has both different ones on and they look pretty similar. So hard to tell like a stark difference, but really it just depends on your skin tone and what you're going for. If you want more of the worry is like redness, blotchiness, go for the banana one. And if your worry is more like fine lines and wrinkles, or you just want like an overall setting powder, I would say go for the translucent one. The translucent one's also good for all skin colors, and the banana one's good for medium to, I guess, medium to fair is probably the best for the banana one. Both of them are fabulous. I think you're really gonna like these.